that my UTCM is this one now. UTCM, I'm back today because my record is not on. Where is it now? There's the gun. Holy shit. This is by Tetang Cameraman plushie UTCM. It's so good. Like have this one. Next is my UTCM 3. Yeah. This is I make my UTCM. See, maybe like this. Okay. Thanks for my video, guys. We're done of making this. I'm sorry, guys, that my save is so small. I will make it more in next day or next month. I will upload tomorrow. Bye, guys. Thanks for the video.